What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the trailer hitch cover from a GMC Yukon. This is a 2015 model here, but it will be the same on a few different years. This will also be the same on all the full-size GM SUVs of these years. Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, Escalade. So as you can see, our trailer hitch has this little cover on it. If we look up underneath the cover, we're gonna see these two clips right here and here. We need to take them and just turn them to our left. About one turn, and then they'll sit in there kind of loose. Same thing over here. About one turn, it's gonna allow that to come down. Once you get those on done, you wanna grab the cover and pull about straight up. As you can see, there's these clips on the top here that sit down in here, so that's why you kind of got to pick it straight up. But anyway, once you get that off, then you'll have access to your trailer hitch. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.